Get the proper intake of nutrients. Ito, perfect to para sa lifestyle ko. Kasi not only this style of Comary is rich in fiber, and it's a protein cell with iron, and L-carnitine that promotes weight loss. And not only that, dahil gym pump din ako, I go to the gym as much as possible. Taas na yung protein content dito. So, shoot ko sa akin. So, natuwa ako talaga. And I've been using this ever since kahit hindi pa ako nakuha dito. This was my holy grail. So guys, kung ako sa inyo, hindi na din kayo. Para healthy living, check out na.
Check out na sa Yellow Basket daw. Uy, very convincing yun Okay, let's get Cholo. Another second item. Now we have here, syempre si Christian. Parang you back there, Christian. Ipa-check out kami lahat.
So meron tayo dito, activated charcoal soap face wash ng Lux. Yan, Lux Skin. And guys, alam nyo ba ang benefit ng Lux Skin dito sa ating activated charcoal facial wash ay nakakatulong po siya to minimize the open pores and also to treat the acne and pimples na meron po tayo. And also guys, sa mga nagkakaproblema po dyan at gusto pumuti at ma-brighten po yung skin natin, meron po tayo guys, all-in-one dito sa ating activated charcoal face wash. And also, meron pa, nakaka-refresh din siya ng skin. Sabi ko kanina, di ba may menthol siya na effect, nakaka-cooling effect. Ayun. Kaya guys, huwag ko sa inyo i-check out nyo na to. Ayan, i-check out nyo na. Ayun lang. Thank you.
I-check out ako ng 5. Ay, once again, Christian. Ito na guys, ang pinaka-last, of course, Perlas. Anong product?
Sinong gusto ng voucher? Wow! So, ang ating ibebenta ngayon ay Cafe Macchiato. Alam nyo ba, sino may mga cravings dito? Alam nyo, kapag may cravings kayo at ito yung ininom ninyo, hindi kayo gugutumin. At 30 minutes before the meal, pwede rin ito rin yung inumin ninyo. Sobrang nakakatulong to, kaya tignan nyo kung gano'n ka-steps yung person. Ayan, nakakapag-slim, kaya grabe ang tiwala ko dito. Kaya kung nintay mo, tititig ka lang dyan, mag-check out kami! Ayan, i-check out ka yan!
Check out na yan! Maganda taas ng energy natin mga brand ambassadors. At ito na nga guys, syempre we're gonna make use of this beautiful setup. Bigyan namin kayo ng tigil-tigis ng signage by tawag dito. Centro boards, it's some signs of Lux Slim and Lux Skin, of course. Welcome to the Lux family. Just stay on your seats. Picture mo na with the mugs. Okay. Okay, picture with your mugs. Show it.
Show your best. Show your best pose.
Show your best pose. Come on, best pose, guys. Kaya pala ito yung setup natin, no? Lux Cafe. Okay, we call Miss Anna to join them.
Saan ako po?
Oh, we have another chair, Miss Anna, for you. Okay. Ayan, nakikipagdagulan si Miss Anna. Sa ating mga new ambassadors.
Papalit na ako ng coffee talaga.
Kunyari, nagkakapi kayo. Ayan, okay. Coffee. Meron pang isa doon para kay Miss Anna on the side, Cholo. Would you like to give that call to Miss Anna para lahat kayo? Nagko-coffee.
Safe lang dyan kayo.
Look at the camera, show us your best pose. Drink coffee, the Lux Cafe.
Serious muna,
Serious.
Serious. 1, 2, 3.
Fierce.
Looking here with smile.
Smile.
Candid feels, come on.
Candid. Alright, now just stay right there. We have another set of photo with the Centro boards, the signages. Go ahead, girls. Ayan na.
Miss Anna, tayo na po for the scene.
Come on, for Miss Anna.
Tayo na for the scene.
Tatayo na. Okay, so our
Tapos tayo.
friends from Nice Grit, no, they wanted you guys to stand up and move a little bit forward. Ayan.
Okay, great.
Picture.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here's look. Smiling. Candid feels.
Alright, now we're done. We're gonna get all the Sintra boards. Finally, we can have another set of pictures. Like kayo lang, walang dala kahit ano. So can you also get the mug from Miss Anna? There you go. Another picture, please.
Okay, ready? 1.
Very cute setup of Lux Cafe.
Smile. 1, 2. Heads closer pa.
May nagtatanong, ano ba po pwedeng order
Look at each other. Laugh at each other.
Looks so real. Smile! Happier! Come on! Hey!
One more happy.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now while we are setting up the next, for the next segment, everybody can now take a picture first of our new brand ambassadors. And of course, we're going to take them on the stage once they're done.
Live po, live.
Picture muna guys, okay? More photos.
Wag daw po mag-end, Miss A.
Baka mag-violate tayo. Tanggalin ko na yung basket.
Dami daw po nag-check out.
Ayun, bardagulan post niya. Bardagulan post. 1, 2.
Grabe yung pagiging masabing fruits of labor and hard work. Like, I did not even expect that I would be part of the Lux family. And you guys deserve this.
Wag mag-end! Hindi ko i-end. Oh, sige, hindi ko i-end.
Alright!
Pag kayo talaga hindi kayo mga nag-check out, ha? Tanggalin ko na yung basket, ha? Mababiolate tayo.
Okay, one more. Personal contents. Again, guys, please don't forget the hashtag #BardaGoldLux. Ganda ng hashtag. Very witty. BardaGoldLux.
Isang set ng group shot na medyo naka-posing kaya. Pop na lang yung kanya na yan. Okay lang. Tingnan ko siya.
Okay, this is it. Oh, one more? Alright. One more, sir? By the way, to all our friends from the press, get ready because
Kasi may violation na po.
Violation na nga.
Reminder pa lang naman.
You guys have a chance to ask them questions.
Wala namang product.
It's now the time for Q&A. Right on the stage po tayo for everybody could participate. So maybe ask again for us, Shalom, Christian, and Briggs together with Miss Anna Magawas. Please come up on stage.
Say hi po ulit sa viewers po ni Miss A. Hi po kayo sa viewers ni Miss A.
Alright, so maybe ask all our guests to please go back to their seats because the press people will occupy all the white seats or the chairs that we have prepared for them. So on these white seats or white chairs, these are all reserved for the press people. So if you guys are one of our press guests, please occupy the chairs so we have provided. These are the white chairs, okay? Yeah, yung mga press people po, sila lang ang pwede kumuha sa white na chair.
Sir RJ, paano po ba i-relive? Sabi po ng mga followers, i-relive daw po kasi baka maban. May violation po kasi kanina eh.
وصل لك واتساب صح؟ شنو؟ هزيت لك انا ما شفته؟
ايه شوف
لا تكسر
الحين اهو
لا لا تخلص ابوي يحب سباجيتي بصير سباجيتي عاد ما ادري الحين ياكلها ولا نساعد ما بسويها ما اقدر اسوي له عيش بالليل نعم وين شنو سويتي خلاص روح دارك كحكح شو الحالة
يعني انتوا لا انا قاعد عندكم
شو دويني قول لهم تقول تسوي لي قهوة شاطر حمزة